Find a home for your vision. In Slovenia, the land of fantastic business opportunities, where trailblazing companies such as MARLES are shaping the future of sustainable construction, creating buildings that enhance well-being and human potential. With over 125 years of experience, MARLES is the leading and largest manufacturer of timber frame buildings, with headquarters in Slovenia and a strong international presence. As a pioneer in sustainable timber construction, MARLES uses cutting-edge technologies to create future-proof and long-lasting living and working environments with natural and energy-efficient materials.
At MARLES, we are on a mission to create sustainable, innovative spaces that enhance the quality of life and protect the environment. Whether it's residential or commercial, we pursue the vision of climate-positive living and construct buildings that not only endure, but also enhance well-being. Our promise is to deliver efficient, environmentally conscious solutions that are built with excellence and are designed to inspire both individuals and communities for generations to come.
MARLES has realized over 30,000 individual projects and more than 400 schools and kindergartens, setting new standards for environmentally friendly building solutions. Constantly evolving its processes and pushing the boundaries of sustainable construction, MARLES's timber frame buildings minimize the impact on environment, providing spaces and experiences that endure and inspire. By being green, creative and smart, MARLES is an example of Slovenia's future-oriented economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Let your imagination live in Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.